Hello children, I'm your teacher and today we are going to learn English. Okay, so please take your English book and today let us see which letter you're going to learn. Okay, so children, we have almost reached the end. See, we have learned from letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, till T you have learned. Okay, so are you practicing from home? You should write and practice both the capital letters and small letters. Okay, write in your rough page. Okay, in any rough book. Okay, and write and practice. Okay, then only you'll be able to write. Okay, properly. Now, after T, the next letter, it is U. Okay, this is U. You can see the big one. This is capital U and this is small letter U. So first you will trace U. This is U. Okay. And this is small letter U. Okay. Now here you have to color. They have said color me. What is this? This is a thing that starts with something that starts with U. You know what is it? It's an umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. See, umbrella, it is written over here and it starts with which letter? U. Okay, so you have to color. Color me, it is written over here. So you have to color the umbrella. You can use any color. Okay, I'm using blue color. You can use color of your choice. Okay, so I'm coloring the umbrella. Okay, so which is the letter? U, and umbrella starts with U. U for umbrella. This is an umbrella. Okay, now here there is written something. Let's say it is a small sentence is written with some words that starts with U. This is Ursula understood the umpire. So Ursula is starting with U. Understood is starting with U. The umpire is starting with U. So Ursula understood. Ursula understood the umpire. So U. So they have given a different color for U. See, all the U's are given which color? Red color. So these are U's, U words. Okay, a small sentence. It doesn't have much meaning. Okay. Ursula understood the umpire. Now let us see. Look out for me. So here you have to circle and count the words beginning with U. That is, which U is this? This is capital U and this is small letter U. So you have to circle and count the words beginning with capital U as well as small u. So in which you have to circle? Here a small para is given. You have to circle the U words. Okay, so here what is written? Urmila's uniform got wet because Uncle Uday had put it out for drying before going out to buy an umbrella. Oops! So Urmila's uniform. Urmila, see, Urmila is the name of a girl. Okay, Urmila starts with which letter? Starts with U. And Urmila's uniform. Uniform starts with which letter? It starts with U. Now got wet because uncle. Uncle starts with U. Uday. Uncle. The name of uncle is Uday. Uday starts with U. Had to put it out for drying before going out to buy an umbrella. Oops. So umbrella. Why is he going out to buy an umbrella? You know why? Because it is going to rain. That is why he went to buy an umbrella. And what would have happened by that time? It would have rained. Okay, started raining, and Urmila's uniform got wet. Okay, now here you have to circle and count the words beginning with U. Now let us circle all the words that begin with U. Okay, this is beginning with U. Uniform, uncle, Uday had put it out for drying before going out to buy an umbrella. So here you have to count how many of the words. So these are the words that begin with U. See, in the paragraph itself they have given red color for these words, so you can understand clearly, right? Now what you have to count how many capital letter U words are there. So Urmila is a name, right? So that starts with capital U. And here uncle starts with capital U. So 1, 2, and Uday is the name of the uncle. So that also starts with capital U. So 1, 2, and 3 of the U letter words are starting with capital. So here you will write, this is the column for capital U. Write here 3. Now small letter U. Uniform starts with small letter U. And what else? Umbrella also small letter U. So 1 and 2 are small letters. So write here 2. So 2 words starts with small letter U and 1 starts with capital letter U. Okay.